lovely couple. For each other always stay supple. The completion of this 1 year has brought you closer and near. Remain strongly bonded and be together in pleasant as well as in rough weather. May new joys unfold each day. Prosperity surrounds you in every way. Happy anniversary to both of you. Stay blessed. I love you. I really do. Happy anniversary, Ankita and Roman. Love you.
Bumba and Ankita, a very happy anniversary to you. Enjoy yourself to the fullest, both of you, keeping in view of the present situation, and take very good care of your health.
Hi, Boom, Ankita, তোমরা অনেক অনেক আশীর্বাদ নিও, তোমাদের জীবন ভালো হোক, সুন্দর হোক, বিবাহ বার্ষিকী ভালোভাবে কাটাও, খুব মজা করো, আনন্দ করো। আশীর্বাদ থাকলো তোমাদের দুজনের জন্য। আমরা এখান থেকে আশীর্বাদ করবো তোমাদের জীবন যেন ভালো থাকে, সুখে থাকে, শরীর সুস্থ থাকে যেন, এইটুকুই বলার আমার।
Happy anniversary, Romin and Ankita. May heaven's choicest blessing be showered on the young couple.
Happy anniversary, Ankita and Bhai. May you have a very, very, very special day. First anniversaries are always memorable, and make most of it. Keep on loving each other, keep on sharing all your things. Respect, love each other. May the respect and love always stay and grow day by day. Always remember how special this relationship is to both of you, and keep on loving each other, and stay happy.
Happy anniversary, Ankita and Romin. First anniversary is always special, so I believe we are going to celebrate this in a very different way. And definitely we are missing you. We wanted to celebrate this together, but however due to current situation it's not possible. But both of you enjoy togetherness, love each other, have respect for each other, and have a wonderful life together.
অঙ্কিতা বুম্বা, তোমাদের দুজনকে প্রথম বিবাহ বার্ষিকীর অনেক অনেক আশীর্বাদ, ভালোবাসা, শুভেচ্ছা জানাই। তোমরা সারা জীবন অনেক আনন্দ করো, সুখে থাকো, শান্তিতে থাকো, এই কামনা করি। আর গত বছরের কথা খুব মনে পড়ছে আজকে, যে আনন্দ করেছিলাম সবাই মিলে, এবং এক্সপেক্ট করেছিলাম সবাই আমরা যে হয়তো এবছরও আবার সেই সুযোগটা আসবে, কিন্তু এই প্যান্ডেমিক আমাদের সেই সুযোগ থেকে বঞ্চিত করেছে। যাই হোক, তোমরা নিজেদের মধ্যেই ওখানে খুব এনজয় করো, আজকের দিনটাকে উপভোগ করো, এবং আগামী দিনের অনেক শুভেচ্ছা নিয়ে।
হ্যাপি ফার্স্ট ইয়ার অ্যানিভার্সারি বুম্বা অঙ্কিতা, খুব ভালো থেকো তোমরা, আশীর্বাদ করি কামিং ডেজগুলো তোমরা খুব ভালোভাবে সুন্দরভাবে কাটাও, আর এরকম হাসি খুশি সবসময় থেকো। তোমরা তো এখন ঘুরতে গেছো, খুব এনজয় করো, আমাদের জন্য অনেক অনেক ভালো ভালো ফটো পাঠিও, আমরা দেখবো। এনজয়, লাভ ইউ বোথ।
Happy first anniversary to two of my most favorite people. All the happiness in the world. This video is too small to say all the things that I want.
कभी जंगल में मंगल, कभी नैया में सैया के साथ छैया छैया। अब तो टेस्ला में नहीं है ड्राइवर भैया। May God give you both the most of adventures and His grace. Happy anniversary, Romy, Jiju, and Twinkle.
My super favorite, Mumba Dada and Ankita Di, I wish you both a very happy first year wedding anniversary. It just feels like yesterday when you both got married and we had spent such beautiful moments which we cherish every time. Every first has a special feeling to it, and on this day, I wish more happiness, more joy, more love, more laughter to both of you for the years to come. Keep enjoying life as you always do. Keep smiling, always stay happy, and we miss you and love you a lot. Mwah.
Happiest 1 year of marriage anniversary to both of you, Bumba Dada and Ankita Di. Stay happy. তোমাদের রোড ট্রিপ খুব এনজয় করো. We will celebrate as soon as you are here. Many happy returns of the day. We miss you. Love you lots. Stay happy and stay safe.
Happy anniversary. Oh my god, I can't believe it's been 1 year. Like, I mean, the entire wedding is only so vivid to me. The fact that all of us were like working so hard, all the partying, chilling, the card, the website. Like, I would honestly love to relive that. I still can't believe it's been 1 year. It feels like really close. And I'm glad that you guys are having such a good time during this week, because obviously it's not going to come back. And yeah, like even during COVID, it's somehow worked for you guys, because you guys are spending more time with each other, which you all definitely wouldn't have before, like in a normal situation. So that's crazy. And yeah, like once all this is over, once I graduate, we'll be visiting the US for sure, that goes without saying. But we're gonna have loads of fun, believe me. We're gonna rage, we're gonna party. And I can't believe, I was speaking to Didi also the other day about it, we are going to travel a lot, so it's going to be so much fun. I honestly can't wait for it, because now I have like 2 people to like really go wild with. We're going to travel to US, UK, Europe, everywhere, and yeah, I can't wait for it. So have fun, you guys. You'll have 4-5 days left on the trip. Have fun, party it up, just relive each and every moment, and yeah, I'll see you soon.
Happy anniversary, Twinkle and Romy.